everybody. Today we are going to be making this Origami StarBox. I really like the 3D models because one of the reasons is that they're really not too hard and they're really cool. I use this one to store small origami. So this one's better for like small flat origami and you can stick them in. And this one is one of the least complicated 3D models. And it's about as big as the paper. So, whatever size StarBox you want, use that big paper. Okay? So let's get started. Whichever side you want to be on the outside, that side needs to be facing up, but my paper is two-sided, so it doesn't matter which side I do. So your first step is to bring this corner up to that corner. Just like that, and then you crease it. Next, you're going to crease it like this. And then you're going to rotate it. So to you it's going to look like this. But to me it looks like this. Okay. Then you're going to unfold it. And you're going to open up this flap and bring this corner down. Just like that. Just like that. And you're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Open up this flap and bring the corner down. Just like that. Okay. Now you're going to bring this corner to the center like that. Do it here too. And you're going to open it up. And squash it down. Do the same thing here. Open it up and squash it down. Right there. And you're going to flip over and repeat. Open it. Fold it over. Open it up, squash it down, fold it over, open it up, squash it down, just like that. And then you are going to fold it, you're going to fold this side over, flip it over, and fold that side over. Now there should be a crease here. You're going to fold it just like that. Do the same thing on this side, right there. Flip it over. Do the same thing, and on that side. Okay, now you're going to take this top corner and fold it down. Flip over and do the same. Then you're going to fold this side over, flip it over, fold that side over, and you're going to do the same thing. Fold the top corner down, flip over, fold the top corner down. Now, this is my favorite step. You open it up. So, take it at the top, just like that. Pull it apart and take it and sort of flatten out the sides. There. You just have to open it up and flatten out all the sides, just like that. There you go, Origami StarBox. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.